Hello viewers, many people are asking me about the best price of each and every tablet, so I have come up with a new video. In this video I will mention the best price of each and every tablet ranging from 10,000 to 30,000 rupees price bracket. If you have a tight budget of 10 to 15,000 rupees, in that case there are many tablets that you can buy. The first tablet in the list is Realme Pad 2. You can buy this tablet at around 13 to 14,000 rupees during offers. The second tablet that you can buy is Redmi Pad 2. This is a newly launched tablet and the base price for the 4GB and 128GB variant is around 14,000 rupees after discount. However, the best price for this tablet is around 13.5k. The next tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy A9 Plus. This is a very good tablet from Samsung. This is an entry-level tablet. You can buy the 8GB and 128GB Wi-Fi variant at around 12,300 rupees. The next tablet that you can buy under the price bracket of 15,000 is Oneplus Pad Go. Recently in the GOAT sale and in Prime Day sale, many people have bought this tablet at around 13,499 rupees. So in the Independence Day or in the Big Billion Days sale, you can get this tablet well below the price point of 14,000 rupees. The next tablet in the list is Oppo Pad SE. This is a newly launched tablet. Now I will mention the price of 15 to 20,000 rupees. If you want to buy Redmi Pad 6, you can buy this at around 16.5k. This is an old tablet, so you cannot expect future software updates from this tablet. Otherwise, this is a very good tablet in terms of hardware. Next, if you want to buy Redmi Pad Pro, in that case the best price for the Wi-Fi variant is around 16.5k. Redmi Pad Pro is a very good tablet. It has very good screen quality and also it has pen support and it comes with Snapdragon processor. Next in the list is Poco Pad 5G. If you want to buy Poco Pad 5G base variant, in that case the best price would be 16.5k to 17,000 rupees. The next tablet in the list is the best tablet if you can get this under 20,000 rupees, and the name of that tablet is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP. The best price for this tablet is around 18 to 19,000 rupees. However, if you don't wait till Big Billion Days sale, you cannot get this at this price point. So in order to get this at 18,000 or 19,000, you have to wait till Big Billion Days sale. Now in the price bracket of 20 to 25,000 rupees, you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus. This is a very good tablet. However, the price of this tablet is always high, but in Big Billion Days sale or maybe in Independence Day sale, you can get this at around 24 to 25,000 price mark. And if you get this at around 22 to 24,000 rupees, definitely you can grab this deal. The next tablet or iPad you can buy is iPad 10th generation 64GB Wi-Fi variant. The best price for iPad 10th generation 64GB is around 23,000 rupees. And I would not recommend you to buy iPad 10th generation 64GB above 23,000 price bracket. Next, if you want Oneplus tablet, in that case you can buy Oneplus Pad 256GB variant. The best price for this tablet is 21,000 rupees, but don't buy above this price. The next tablet that you can buy is Xiaomi Pad 7. The best price for Xiaomi Pad 7 is 22.5k. This is a very good tablet at this price point. Now if you have a budget of 25 to 30,000 rupees, there are two tablets that I can recommend. The first tablet is iPad 11th generation. This is newly launched iPad and it has 128GB of internal storage. The next tablet that you can buy is Oneplus Pad 2. The price of Oneplus Pad 2 is above 30,000 rupees, but during Big Billion Day sale or maybe in Independence Day sale, you can get this tablet at around 30,000 rupees. Recently with the stylo, people have bought this tablet at around 32,000 rupees and the stylo costs around 5,000 rupees. So effectively the price is below 30,000 rupees. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you want to know the price of any other tablet Hope this video has become informative to you. Thank you very much for watching this video.